Hi, good morning, friends. This is Y. Ramesh, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Torur. I welcome you all. Today's lecture, that is on phonetics. This is the second lecture on sounds of English language. Already we discussed the vowel sounds and also how 44 sounds were occurred in English language. Already I told you, though English alphabet has 26 letters, but sounds are 44. These 44 sounds are divided into three categories. They are pure vowels, also called monophthongs. They are 12 in number. And also second category, vowel glides, also called diphthongs. They are 8 in number. And also third category, consonants. They are 24 in number. In previous class we discussed the pure vowels and also vowel glides. Total vowel sounds are 20. They are divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are 12 and diphthongs are 8. We discussed earlier. Now we move to the consonant sounds. Consonants are again classified into two. They are total 24. They are divided into voiced consonants, voiceless consonants. Voiced consonant sounds are 15. Voiceless consonant sounds are 9. Do you know what is voiced or voiceless? If we produce a sound and place our fingers lightly on the Adam's apple, both sides of the throat, during its production, our fingers will feel the vibration of the vocal cords. Then it is a voiced sound. If we put our fingers on our Adam's apple, that is throat. If when we talk or produce a sound, if our fingers feel vibration, it is a voiced sound. If our fingers feel nothing, no vibration, it is a voiceless sound. If our fingers feel vibration, it is a voiced sound. If our fingers don't vibrate, it is a voiceless sounds. Another easier process than the above is we have to place our palms gently over our ears. If we produce a voiced sound, our palms will feel the vibration. If the sound is voiceless, there will be no vibration. This is another way to identify the voiced or voiceless sounds. Okay, already we discussed the vowel sounds. Then we move direct on consonant sounds. These are the monophthongs, also called pure vowels, 12. Already we discussed. Then second diphthongs, also called vowel glides, they are 8. Now we will discuss the consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are, there are voiced sounds 15, voiceless 9. These sounds are produced by completely or partly stopping the flow of air being breathed out through the mouth of the nose. Completely or partly stopping the flow of air when we produce these consonant sounds. Okay, we will discuss one by one. The first we will discuss voiced consonants. The first one is ba. If we see how it sound occurred in initial, middle and final, this is the table which shows the serial number and sound, and also how it occurred in initial sound, and also it occurred in middle sound, and also it occurred in the final sound. This is the three ways of sound, so we can recognize the sounds. So if we take the first sound of voiced consonant ba, if you see in the initial position of the word, it is button. Button. In the middle, table. Table. And also in the final sound, club. Club. In this three categories, we can see how the sound occurred in words. We can identify in this way. Then the second sound is da. Da. In the initial, dream. Dream. In the middle, middle. Middle. In the final, bad. Bad. Okay, then the third sound is ga. If we see in the initial, game. Game. In the middle, begin. Begin. And also we can see in the final, dog. Dog. And fourth, jaw. Jaw. In the initial, jump. Middle, majesty. Majesty. In the final sound, orange. Orange. And the fifth sound, va. Value. In the initial, in the middle, alveolar. Alveolar. In the final, love. Love. Okay. The sixth sound of consonant, the. The. If we say in the initial, this. This. You can see the transcription also, how it was appeared when we see the dictionary. This, all the sounds like this. This. In the middle, mother. Mother. In the final, bathe. Bathe. Okay, seventh voiced consonant sound is j. 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 If you see the initial sound of the word, zebra. Zebra. If we see in the middle, visit. Visit. If we see in the final, budge. Budge. And also the eighth consonant, voiced consonant sound is a. Jaw. Za. Za. If you see in the initial, genre. Genre. If you see in the middle, vision. Vision. there is no final sound of this sound ja. Okay, only initial and the middle we can see the this sound occurred. And also ninth voiced consonant sound is ma. In the initial position, magic. In the middle position, rumble. If we see in the final position, calm. And also 10th voiced consonant sound is na. If we see in the initial position, nation. If we see in the middle, manage. If we see in the final position, train. And also 11th voiced consonant sound is it produces like ing. It doesn't have the initial position sound. We can see in the middle, English, ing. You can recognize the ing sound, English. In the final, king. And also 12th consonant sound, voiced consonant sound, la. In the initial position, leisure. We can see in the middle, bullet. In the final, bull. And also 14th voiced consonant sound as ya. In the initial position, yes. In the middle position, music. There is no final there is no final sound for this voiced consonant sound ya. And another 15th voiced consonant sound is wa. In the initial position, wait. In the middle, awake. There is no final sound of this word. These are the 15 voiced consonants are voiced consonants are 15. Then we will discuss the voiceless consonant sounds. They are 9 in number. The first one is pa. If you see in the initial position, this word like push. In the middle, apple. In the final position, cup. And also the second voiceless consonant sound is ta. If we see in the initial position, tap. And also we can see in the middle, matrix. In the final, mat. And next third voiceless consonant sound is ka. In the initial position, keep. In the middle position, monkey. In the final position, bank. And next fourth voiceless consonant sound, cha. In the initial, chain. In the middle position, mature. In the final position, church, church. And next fifth voiceless consonant sound is fa, fa. In the initial position, free, free. In the middle position, prefix, prefix. In the final position, proof, proof. The sixth voiceless consonant sound is ta, ta. In the initial, thick, thick. In the middle, athlete, athlete, athlete. In the final position, teeth, teeth. The seventh voiceless consonant sound is sa, sa. In the initial position, sweet, sweet. In the middle position, waist, waist. In the final position, press, press. And eighth voiceless consonant sound is sha, sha. If you see in the initial position, sheep, sheep. In the middle position, azure, 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 azure. In the final position, rush, rush. The last voiceless consonant sound is, that is the ninth sound, ha, ha. In the initial position, happy, happy. In the middle position, behind, behind. There is no final position of the sound for this sound. So this is the total 24 consonant sounds we discussed. These there are two type these consonant sounds. They are voiced consonant sounds are 15 and voiceless consonant sounds are 9. This is the with these two videos we discussed 44 sounds. Actually there are 26 letters in English, but sounds are 44. 20 are vowel consonant sounds and 24 consonant sounds. So we discussed. I think you all I hope you all are know the 44 consonants. This is a difficult to practice, but by making keep on practicing, you can remember these 44 sounds easily. Okay, with this sounds I wind up here. I look forward you in another lecture. Thank you very much.